Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and I am a professional makeup artist. In today's video, I will create this timeless classic Indian bridal makeup look. This video will be more focused on techniques and I will show you step by step on how you can achieve this look if you are doing your own bridal makeup. So let's get started now. There goes a lot behind achieving that healthy looking glowy bridal makeup look, and everything starts with your skin. It is crucial that you take care of your skin way before your wedding date. So if you are a bride to be, then please have a basic skincare routine and sunscreen is a must. Also keep yourself hydrated all the time. We all want that flawless looking makeup look, and for that we'll have to get rid of the dead skin first. I have exfoliated my skin a day before recording this video and I have used Dr. Sheth's medium strength peel. If you are new to the exfoliation process, then please start with some gentle peels and do not forget to apply moisturizer and sunscreen after you do that. Also do a patch test before trying anything. Before starting your makeup for such events, please give your skin some extra hydration, and for that I'm gonna use this sheet mask. While the sheet mask is on, I will exfoliate my lips with this Dot & Key exfoliator. It's a gentle scrub and helps you get rid of the dead skin on your lips. And I will then apply this lip mask from Laneige. You can also use Vaseline, that works fine too. Once you take off the sheet mask, take a little more time to massage your face with the leftover serum. This will help you regenerate your skin and release tension from your muscles. I usually start with the eye makeup whenever I'm doing makeup on my bride, but if I'm doing my own makeup, then I start with my face first. We all want our makeup to long last and look fresh all the time. We don't want our makeup to look greasy, oily, and we also live in a very humid climate, so it is possible that your skin will generate more oil on your face, and if you have oily or a combination skin, then you will have to use a primer. Use a mattifying primer especially on your T-zone area. That will help you control the oil production, and it will also create a smooth base to apply foundation. I will be using this Smashbox Photo Finish primer on my T-zone area. This will help me mattify my skin and blurs my pore. This will also help me make my makeup last longer. I'll be using the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. For brides, of course, you need a foundation that's gonna last for a longer time and it also photographs well. And this foundation serves the purpose. I usually apply the shade Punjab for myself, but today I'll be matching my foundation with my hand, so I'm gonna use a little bit of Barcelona as well. Also, this foundation works beautifully on dry and oily skin. You just have to follow the right technique and skin prep to make this work. I always prefer using foundation first, and then if required I will go ahead and do color correction. So if you have pigmentation and dark circles on your face, then first apply the orange corrector and then apply your foundation. I prefer using foundation first, and to cover the light pigmentation and acne marks, I will do spot concealing. I will be using this Maybelline concealer in the shade Honey. This concealer has a bit of an orange undertone to it, so it will cover the light pigmentation on my face. Bridal looks are all about enhancing your best facial features, so we don't need those crazy contour which will sculpt your face. So you can completely skip the contouring part and move on to the bronzer, and for that we are gonna use the bronzer to add some dimension and warmth on our face. You can use the bronzers that are available in the market, or you can use darker color concealer like this one from PAC. Just make sure that it has a bit of a warm undertone to it. Create small dots using this bronzer and apply it on your forehead, nose and above your cheekbones. Do not create those harsh looking lines because it will be really difficult to blend those. If you feel that you have applied less bronzer, then you can go ahead and add some more if you want to. Once you're done applying the bronzer, go ahead and use your beauty blender and dab the product. This will make sure that your bronzer is looking really smooth. I will be applying red lipstick for this look, so whenever you are applying red lipstick, we don't want that pink blush on our face because it's not gonna look good. So I'm gonna skip the cream blush for this look, and I will be using a lighter color concealer to add some highlight on my face. For that I'll be using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's in the shade Natural Beige. To set my face, I will be using this oil control powder from PAC. It is a great powder, stays on for a long time and it blurs your skin. It also doesn't emphasize your skin texture. Whenever you are doing bride or you are doing your own bridal makeup, make sure that you are layering your cream product first and then your powder products. Just using powder products won't be sufficient because that won't show on the camera. Moving on to the powder bronzer, use something that has a warm undertone to it. I will be using this Hoola bronzer which works really well for Indian skin tones. Take a angle brush and apply the bronzer on the same place where we have applied the cream bronzer. Moving on to the eyes, keep it simple and minimal and do not try to change your eye shape. For example, I have round eyes with slight almond shape, so I will enhance my round eyes rather than elongating it. Taking a black pencil and applying it on my lash line and then smudging it with a pencil brush. You don't have to be precise while doing this step because we are already smudging it. Then to define your crease line and to do further eye makeup, pick up a palette which has brown and warm undertone to it because these are the kind of shades which suits the Indian skin tone really well. I will be using this Jaclyn Hill palette to do my eye makeup. You can also use this Swiss Beauty palette if you have. Take a light brown color and apply it on your crease using a blending brush. Do the circular back and forth motion for applying this color. Then I'll be taking a darker brown color on a flat brush like this and apply it on my entire eyelids. Then I will be applying this golden shimmer shade from Kiko Milano on the middle of my eyes. To complete the eye look, I'm gonna apply kajal pencil on my lower and upper lash line. Curl your lashes and apply mascara. You can add falsies if you want to or you can completely skip it. I will do my eyebrows off camera. I have made a detailed video on how to do your eyebrows which I will link here. Also, if you are enjoying this video, then make sure that you leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. I will now use MAC Fix Plus which will help get rid of all the excess powder product on my face and set everything in place. If you are someone who likes subtle highlighter which gives you an inner kind of a glow, then you can use this PAC Bake highlighter, adding it on the highest point of my cheeks and on my forehead and a little bit on my nose. I do not like applying highlighter on tip of my nose as it looks like a doorbell. Then I will be using this Nykaa lip liner in the shade Head Over Heels and slightly overline my lips. I'm also gonna fill in my lips using the lip liner because that is gonna make the lipstick last longer. Then I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick from Chambord. It's a liquid lipstick but the formula is very comfortable on the lips and doesn't dries up your lips as well. Finishing off the makeup, I'll be again using MAC Fix Plus to set my makeup. I have made a video on 9 ways you can use this MAC Fix Plus which I'm gonna link here. Every look is incomplete without jewelry, so I am adding this Kundan set which has a green contrast in it. Let me just put on my jewelry and come back. I know there are a lot of steps involved in creating this look and it is little time consuming, but know that it's a bridal makeup and it takes time. Also, if you give time to your makeup will give time to you. In spite of doing everything, if your foundation still creases and separates from your nose area, then you have to definitely watch this video. And if you're someone who will be attending a wedding this year, then you can watch this video. See you in the next one. Bye.